Look at that sunset. That will be our everyday view. This is it. Trenching. They did trenching. The fence has been broken by the wind. There you go. Another day to see the block. Let's go. Sunny day today. They said they're gonna pour the cement next week. So it looks like that. So this is the wall, love.
Yeah.
You think? So it's not that bad. I wonder why they put this orange stuff.
So basically right
Is that
now,
part of it?
basically-
Update. So finally, the frame is up. Roof installed. It's not yet finished, but that's good. Gutters are done. That's the garage. This is the porch. Well, that's just the master's bedroom here. Okay. And then the bathroom there. So they've done most of it. Basically, the next one will be painting. However, they're probably gonna wait for the bricks to be done for that. So I'm not sure. And then this is the hallway. They have put our stairs. That's our stairs. The handrail. Living room. And then you've got the window in there. It's all dark. This is the kitchen. The skylight just straight to the sky. There. It's looking awesome. Oh my goodness. And then when I'm cooking, this is your view. It's so bright there. That's the sunset. So just cook here, cook here. This is our dining area and the living room with the 3 doors. So that's a good update. This one here is a hallway for the 3 bedrooms. Laundry area. And then you can go outside. So they've done the gutters already. So that's perfect. Go onto the other side. This is our side yard.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.